Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, no man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yo, make I lose my voice a bit because I just done a live stream for how much hour? About 3 hours. But yeah, we're there. Then today, guys, we're with Deva Bratt return after Bratt Karaoke War. Yes. Getting lots of messages to react to this one. I did see it drop, but me just did do some other things, you know? Sometimes we can't make study my next move. We can't program it neither. Remember me telling that over here. Before we move on though, wanna think about the new intro. A new intro. A new intro. Let's go. Let's talk it. This is a classic. And no man gonna get copyright strike for that one, man. Therefore, where you do that one, man? I can see what I listen.
That boy they are freaking never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him not a friend. Teacher, you lied to me. All those times when you say puzzle me go dig up shoes. Yeah.
Factually, pull it up and drop it again. Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. How would I go with them dirty vibes? Tongue in the mix.
That boy they are freaking never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo.
We are going to stop and break this blood clot, you know, because I never expect this, you know. That boy, they are freak. You never know. Him suck girl toe from Tokyo. Any man will suck girl toe have a foot fetish. Yuck. Suck a fish toe. Put it back in your socks, man.
That boy, they are freaking never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, now I got the flow.
Bad. And that's a bad man story go. Down to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, no, I got the flow. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓, flow, get it? I go over your head. Get it? Yeah, I don't want to get it. On a smart over here. On have to be smart.
Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him not a friend.
So Nuclear get gunshot in him leg. And then after that, him still one par. And then you show him say you're not a friend. How about the blood clot go on? What?
Him the one fi power again. Until you show him not a friend. Teacher, you lied to me. All those times when you say puzzle me go dig up shoes. You lied to me. All those times when you say puzzle me go dig up shoes. You lied to me. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny.
Man say shawty go fuck and you cry.
That boy they are freaking never know. Him suck y'all toe from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿, now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him not a friend. Teacher, you lied to me. All those times when you say puzzle me go dig up shoes. You lied to me. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lied to me.
couldn't do the same thing Fan Breeze do for you. Fan Breeze cool, Fan Breeze blow, Fan Breeze cool.
The same thing Fan Breeze do for you. You like to win. You're a freaky guy. You're more of a fly. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Back in the game and I put out songs again. I'm trending up the ranks again. Shatta Wally love it when he make the people know. Looks like he proposed at the show. That boy they are freaking never know. Him suck 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 from Tokyo. You know I know so bad man story go. Down to 𝑑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 now I got the flow. Nuclear never knew it from the start. Until gunshot tear his leg apart. Him the one fi power again. Until you show him you're not a friend. Teacher, you lie to me. All those times when you supposed to me go dig up shoes. You lie to me. Shotty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lie to me. You wouldn't do the same thing Fan Breeze do for you. You lie to me. You're a freaky guy. You're more of a fly. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Back in the game and I put out songs again. I'm trending up the ranks again. Shatta Wally love it when he make the people know. Looks like he proposed at the show. Even though you know that he was wrong. Well, you never say get up off your knees, young man. People are listen carefully. Sing along if you know the song. Teacher, you lied to me. I thought you said you don't eat prison food. You lied to me. But you do. But you do. You lied to me about the things you said you'd never do. You lied to me. Fan Breeze, you freaking to me. If you wonder what them do to you. Return.
Fan Breeze. The man say Fan Breeze, you freaky too. I wonder what them do to you. With the blood clot.
Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath.
Yeah, the ad-libs in the background. Come down. Ah! Listen.
Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God.
Them are no king. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in... Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me. Yo, the fuck?
Turn of the breath. You know. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pit me, I wonder if them a dad. Them face well big like it is a frog. Foot on no hype up Sean, you know see him a job. Big transmission, you know give him a flap.
Man say foot no hype up Sean. You know see him a fag. Big transmission. Oh, the bumbo clot a go on. So everybody get it, you know.
Them pit me, I wonder if them a dad. Them face well big like it is a frog. Foot on no hype up Sean, you know see him a job. Big transmission, you know give him a flap. For 13 years him go sleep on a slab. Come out with him pants a sand. I must.
Oh my fucking God. Man say him a big transmission that no give him a flag. Rainbow flag him attack. For 13 years you go sleep on a slab and come out with your pants a sag. That means pants and a body if you don't know when I talk this.
Front foot on no hype up Sean, you know see him a jump. Big transmission, no give him a flap. For 13 years, him go sleep on a slab. Come out with him pants a sand, I must have fuck. Deva Bratt is back in full effect. Full court press, put crap in a neck. Disrespect me, no take me, pick up and take and select. Aim to the target, deflect it again. Deva with the psycho waves, Ryko wave. Them know me head hotter than a microwave. And gun and rifle wave. We know you are coward, so no go along like you're brave. You lied to we. All those times when you say puzzle me go dig up shoes. You lied to we. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. You lied to we. You wouldn't do the same thing fanboys do for you. You lied to we. You're a freaky guy. You're my roughy lie. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know. Where's my family? Return of the breath. Return of the breath. Return of the breath. You know.
I drop me now, put it up again. Now put it up again. Never expect that. Never expect that. The G tell you say I'm back and there's nothing you can do about it. He might tell you say, listen, I'm here and I'm here now to stay and there's fuck all you can do about it. That's what the G say right, yes, brother. So, all the people them who don't rate Deva, him not care. Him a tapping on the head. How the blood clot. Man, I chat some things in a song, brother. Sean Storm get it. Teacher get it. Man, I chat some things like, me never expect him to put something like this on the rhythm, your dog. This is a classic rhythm. Copyright strike. We not get the money from that one, yeah. We not get the money from that one, yeah. Yo! Deva Bratt. You have to go send me a thing for that one, bro. We not get the money for that one, yeah.
Actually, factually, pull it up and jump it again. Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I want to go with them dirty vibes. Come on,
Yo, big up myself, G. This time I'm gonna need one comment section. Let me know what I go on. Yo, I got my bed, yeah, man. But I'm glad.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.